National Training Service, SENA. Center for Materials and Testing, Bogota Region. Software Analysis and Development Cohort 2, 721427. Video GA6-2402-02501-AA1 EV02. Instructor Diana Patricia Guantiva. Trainee Yan Carlos Mercado González. Date April 8, 2025. Magangue, Bolivar, Information Technology. My name is Yan Carlos Mercado González, and I'm a trainee in the Software Analysis and Development program at SENA. As part of my role, I actively contribute to software development projects. I collaborate with my team to understand technical requirements, build solutions, and ensure quality. Every day, I write and debug code, using tools like Visual Studio Code, Git, and database systems. I participate in testing processes to identify and resolve issues, making sure the software performs reliably. I also assist with project documentation and follow agile methodologies to support continuous improvement. This experience is shaping me into a competent professional in information technology, ready to solve real-world challenges through code and collaboration.